that you're part of at your school. Be more than happy to come do demos, presentations, get you guys hands-on flight time with Develop Air. And we do have a drone park up by our office north of Atlanta. Might be a little bit of a trek, but be more than happy to schedule demos out there if you guys ever want to get hands-on as well. Oh, so yeah, these are pretty much development platforms. So I like to equate them to like the early days of personal computers, where there's like no operating system for computers, let alone like spreadsheet software or like word processing software or games. And so like people had to create that for then everyone else to be able to use personal computers, right? And so that's where we're at in the drone industry, really at the spot where we need more developers and engineers that are going to create like different spotlights, cargo containers, different processors, different like software applications for drones, make them easier to use for the everyday person, because drones can already do all of what I just mentioned, right? Carry cargo, spray crops, but just not easy enough for the everyday roofer, farmer, mother, father, and that's what we're working on, is just bring drones to the everyday household and business. So even just from like a delivery perspective, you have your own drone, send it out to the local Amazon locker, fast food restaurant, retail store, and that same drone can be used for playing laser tag or go put on like a claw machine game, which we built like the world's largest claw machine game using one of our drones, and set out like a bunch of prizes in a field, and gave everyone a timer just like you would at an arcade, right? Had to lower down the claw, pick up prizes. Actually hooked it up we use an Xbox controller, but like L1 to lower the claw, R1 to raise the claw back up. So it's really just like playing a real world video game, right? Maybe not the most exciting like GTA type of video game, but that is actually kind of like further in the future. You guys have maybe seen like Microsoft Flight Simulator, like where they're using like a real world version of like the map as like the game map. So that's what we're intending to do with our drone control software. So in the same software that you can like control our drone, like tell it on the map where you want it to fly to, so you're never even having to use a controller. Make the real world a video game map, so you can actually like play video games within the real world as the map. So again, further down the road, but that's where I'd like to see a lot of this heading. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.